What are diodes? Diode is the simplest and non-linear fundamental circuit element. It is a unidirectional device. It is a two-terminal device having two electrodes, as its name indicates, where di means two and odes refer to electrodes. The p-n junction is the basis for diodes, certain transistors, solar cells, and other devices. Now, how many types of diodes are there? There are three types of diodes. First type is open or unbiased diode. Second is forward biased diode. And third is reverse biased diode. The p-n junction, in which no external voltage is applied, is called zero bias p-n junction. This zero bias p-n junction is also known as unbiased p-n junction or open or unbiased diode. As you can see here in this figure, this is p region, this is n region, and there is no external voltage applied here. So this is open or unbiased diode. Now look at this figure. This is forward biased diode, in which P region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and this N region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now look at this figure. This is reverse biased diode, in which P region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and this N region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery.